Alright, well, shit. It's already going live. I'm gonna have to go online and erase it, so it's too late. I'm gonna go through this. My music stopped playing. Give me a second. Gotta have music. I guess I can listen to my headphones. Damn, can I pause it? Oh, you can't pause while you're while you're doing this. Maybe I should record too. Can I record and stream at the same time? You can. Damn, that's dope. Damn, dude. I probably need more practice. Okay, well, shit. I'm streaming, and I don't hear any music, which is boring. I want to hear music. Okay, sorry. So this, like I said in the title, is for some colleagues, fellow students of mine. We're going through a class, and we need to do some upgrades and or programming. We're just gonna knock it out, okay? Excuse me, smoking. So, first things first. We all want to program on the same platform, right? We can't follow and learn if we're not doing it on the same thing. So let's go to our terminal, which is this gray box here. Click that. We should be in our home directory by default, but if we're not, hit CD, enter. And that brings you back to your home directory, okay? Next, we're gonna go, sudo apt install Python 3 space Python 3 hyphen pip. Make sure you spell it right. Sudo apt install Python 3 space Python 3 pip. Enter. There, go through this little thing, install a bunch of stuff for you. Boom, and you're good. Okay, we're gonna close now because that's all we need. We don't need to do anything. Actually, while we're in the home directory, before we go, because we may as well do this. Since we're doing homework, let's make a directory for homework. Okay, let's go mkdir, right, in our home directory, and let's just call it homework. HOMEWRK, and hit enter. I already have one. Okay, and then you can go ls, and let's look for it. Should be blue. Name homework. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, it worked. Now we're gonna go CD homework. Enter. Now it says we're in our homework folder. Let's just confirm. Well, there's nothing in there, so you don't have to go list. Once you see the blue after the green, you're in there. Okay. Now we're gonna go mkdir, and we'll make one for our circle program. Go CIRCLE. Enter. I already have one, so I'm not gonna do it. Hit enter, and then we'll go mkdir space, and we'll make one for guess. GUESS. Right? And then hit enter. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it. Alright? After that's done, we'll go ls. And you should have two folders named circle and guess. Man, we're amazing, right? Inside of a homework folder. Okay, cool. Let's go CD, enter. Now we're back at our home directory, and let's exit. All right, cool beans. Let's confirm that we just did that. And click the yellow. Our file folder takes us to home Pi by default, so we should have a homework folder, right? Oh, we do. Oh, snap. We have a circle. We have a guess. All right, we have two folders for our homework. We are in the business. Let's get it. So now we just install the program. Remember? Python. Click the raspberry. Go down to programming. Scroll to the right, and you'll see a little squiggity Python 3 idle IDLE integrated environment, integrated development. Or learning, people change it. Who cares? Click it. And it brings you to Python Shell. Python Shell is the same thing as Python3. Python Shell. Okay? These are brothers. What this does, it says, hey, you can test your code as you do it instead of developing this whole file that you have to run and indent and all that. You do have to indent this appropriately, don't get me wrong. But if I just want to say, hey, I want to print hello world, it does it. Cool. And what about here? Will it do it here? How'd you know? How watch. No, why should be so big? Hey, that's what she said. Okay, so what the hell happened here? It just ran it straight in line. Why would I use this? Well, we have homework, right? Don't we have homework? Doesn't our homework say that we have to figure out pi and take user input and do a bunch of stuff? It'd be like kind of cool to kind of test some of that stuff out to see if we're on the right track, wouldn't it? I don't know. So let's just try it out. What's our homework? Our homework says for this that we're going to take user input. That's going to be a radius. Okay? And it's going to give us some stuff. And that's what we're going to do. So if we were just going to do that, it's going to give us area, volume, surface area, and circumference. Okay? Let's just start with area, because that might be kind of cool and that'd be easy. Okay? Let's say pi. Let's do this. User input. Let's start with that. User input. Let's get that first. input equals, we want to float, we want input. Give me a number, fool. One more. Oh, damn, you're so bossy. Okay, cool. I'm gonna give it 8. Now we're gonna say pi equals 3.14. Let's get that out the way. And now let's say area is equal to, oh my gosh, I'm testing my math skills all over again. Area is equal to pi times radius squared. Okay, so is equal to pi, which we defined, times radius isn't defined, but user input is. So let's do that. So we go pi times user input squared. Oh, it's not typing. Oh, it must be a little bit. Okay. Area equals pi times user input squared. Okay, that's what area equals, right? Pi times user input squared. We define pi. We have user input. Okay, let's hit enter. Now, I mean, based on our assignment, we should just be able to print area, and that's one part of our assignment, right? So let's just try it. printarea. Oh! I mean, that's the homework. So if you did that with each one in its own program in a row, or maybe you took the input once and put the definition between it, I'm pretty sure you have your homework done. Right? Alright, I think I'm going to stop, because that's kind of all you really need to see, just messing around and seeing how it happens. You can put it in a file, we can do that, but I'm done streaming. Alright.